Best groundnut oil. Number 5. Natureland Organics Groundnut Oil. Peanut oil 1 liter. Cold pressed. Approx price 359 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. Organic groundnut cold pressed cooking oil. Low in saturated fats. Free from cholesterol. Number 4. Tanjai Natural 1000 ml groundnut oil, virgin unrefined wooden cold pressed groundnut oil. Approx price 411 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. Tanjai Natural Groundnut Oil is also known as Cheku Groundnut Oil. Number 3. Fortune Gold Nut Refined Groundnut Oil 1 liter. Approx price 220 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. Ideal for deep frying. Stable at high temperature. Number 2. Anjali cold pressed groundnut peanut oil 1 liter pouch. Approx price 228 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. No heat process to preserve natural goodness. 100% pure unadulterated oil. No preservatives added. Number 1. Vedaka cold pressed peanut groundnut oil 1 liter. Approx price 320 rupees. This is a vegetarian product. 100% pure and unadulterated oil. No heat process to preserve natural goodness. Anti-spillage bottle design. Easy to store and convenient to use when cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.